You ever notice how one bad thought can mess up your whole mood? Like you could be having a decent day, the sun's out, things are all right, then boom, one negative comment, one little setback, and it's like the whole vibe just shifts. It's wild how quick that switch can happen, and I've been thinking about how much power we actually give negativity without even realizing it. Not saying life's all sunshine and good vibes all the time. We all go through stuff, hard stuff. I've had days where it felt like the world was just throwing everything it had at me. But somewhere along the way, I realized that I was adding to the weight by the way I responded. I wasn't just feeling negative, I was feeding it, and that hit me hard. It's like you walk into a room and you can feel when someone's energy is off, right? That kind of heavy, bitter presence. I started asking myself, what kind of energy am I bringing into rooms, into conversations, into my own mind? I used to think positivity was just about smiling through it or acting like everything was fine. But no, it's deeper than that. Positivity is a choice. It's a discipline. It's rewiring your first response when things don't go your way. There was this season in my life where I felt stuck, angry, frustrated, tired of trying and not seeing results. I kept replaying disappointments in my head like a highlight reel of everything that went wrong. And man, it was draining. I started noticing how I was snapping quicker, feeling discouraged faster, and losing my sense of joy. And one day I just sat with myself and said, this isn't who I want to be. This isn't how I want to show up. So I did something simple. I started replacing every negative thought with something good, anything good, even if it felt forced at first. I'd wake up feeling overwhelmed, and instead of saying, I'm so tired of this, I'd say, God gave me another shot today. Let go. I'd catch myself judging someone and switch it to, I don't know their story, grace first. And slowly something started changing in me. I didn't come blind to struggle, but I started choosing not to become the struggle. You get what I'm saying? See, when you carry negativity around, it becomes your filter. Everything you see, everything you hear, it passes through that lens. But when you decide to start shifting that energy, even just a little, you begin to reclaim control. You stop reacting and start responding. That's when life starts feeling lighter, even if the storms haven't passed yet. So here's the truth. You can't control everything that happens to you, but you can control what you plant inside your mind. Positivity doesn't mean ignoring the pain. It means not letting the pain become your identity. It's not pretending life is easy. It's choosing to focus on what builds you up instead of what breaks you down. And I promise you this, positivity transforms everything. The way you see people, the way you talk to yourself, the way you dream. It's not just a mood, it's a mindset. And when you start living in that space, you don't just survive, you start thriving. So yeah, if you're feeling stuck in a cycle of negativity, I get it, I've been there, but you don't have to stay there. Start small, choose one thought today to flip, one moment to breathe before you speak, one chance to offer grace where you usually offer judgment. It adds up, it builds momentum, and before you know it, you'll start seeing light in places you thought were always gonna be dark. If this hit home for you, do me a favor, stick around. I drop these kinds of messages because I believe we all need reminders. So if you want more of this kind of energy, hit that subscribe button and join me. We're in this together. I'll see you on the next video.